make my lip balms a couple of times a year. I make a summertime lip balm and I make a wintertime whip balm. Whip balm? What's a whip balm? Hi, I'm Rach and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to make a lip balm that's all natural using only 4 ingredients. Let's get into it. It's summer here in Australia. It has been a cracker of a summer. It's been hot, it's been humid. So I make a different lip balm in the summer, I make a different one in the winter. And really I use similar ingredients, but what I do is I just change the quantities a little bit. So then that way, my summertime lip balm is usually set so it's a little bit harder, so it doesn't melt as easy. So a basic lip balm, you really need 3 ingredients. 1 part beeswax, 1 part butter, and 1 part carrier oil. Now for the summertime recipe, what I do is I add a little bit more beeswax to the ratio. So my recipe, I use 1 tablespoon of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, but I put 1.5 tablespoons of the beeswax. So the first thing you need to do is measure out your ingredients and place them into a glass bowl or even a metal bowl. Now boil some water and place your glass bowl on top of the saucepan. We're going to use the double boil method so we can melt all the ingredients together. Keep stirring so then that way everything melts and you should end up with an amber liquid. I have a stainless steel jug that I use to transfer my lip balm mixture into the lip balm tubes, and I heat it up first, put it on a plate over the top of boiling water so then that way when I put the mixture in, the beeswax isn't going to set too quickly. Then I transfer my mixture into the jug. Next up, I add essential oils, and in this recipe, I'm using frankincense essential oil. If you check out the show notes, you'll find the recipe as well as a link to where I get my essential oils. Pour your hot mixture into the lip balm tubes. I've still got a little bit of the lip balm mixture left over and it's started to set inside the jug. So what I'll do is just put it back on top of the heat. So stick it back on the plate over the boiling water and that will melt inside the jug. Now the mixture's melted again, I can fill up a lip balm pot. Allow your lip balm to set, and it shouldn't take too long, but if you do want it to set quicker, you can put it in the fridge. And so there you have it, a beautiful summertime lip balm using 4 natural ingredients that smells amazing and it is so moisturising. Yeah, it's good. If there's anything you'd like me to make, pop it in the comments below. I'll give it a go. I'll make a video. And please, if you could subscribe to my channel, that'd be awesome, and give me the thumbs up. All right, bye for now. It's just a prop. There's actually no tea in it. What's a whip balm? Sounds kinky.